Hi Gineers! Welcome to the Ginee channel. For this video, we will talk about the warehouse management feature in the Ginee system. This feature will help you manage your warehouses, such as adding warehouses, editing warehouse information, and easily search your warehouse. Let's now start with the tutorial, Gineers. First of all, hover over the warehouse menu and then click Warehouse List. You will be directed to this page where you can add a warehouse, edit your warehouse information, and search for your warehouse. Let's try to add a warehouse first, Gineers. To add a warehouse, click the Add Warehouse button found on the top right part, and then fill in the warehouse information such as the warehouse code, warehouse name, warehouse area and address, and warehouse status whether it is enabled or disabled. The warehouse code is a required field because this will be used to import stocks. As for the warehouse status, when it's enabled, this means that the stock and delivery synchronization is activated. But when the warehouse status is disabled, the stock and delivery synchronization is not activated. If you want to disable your warehouse, you cannot have any pending orders, outbound orders, and inbound orders in your warehouse. For the warehouse type, you can choose from My Warehouse and My Store. To edit your warehouse information, click Edit under the Action column. Last is the Warehouse Search feature, which can help you find your selected warehouse. You just need to fill in the warehouse name in the search bar and then click Search. Done! Good luck, Gineers!